Yes, sir.
Okay, here's the reality.
Yes, sir.
You and I have known each other a long time, right?
Yes, sir.
Here's what I need to know. Get me the rings back. I'll have Officer Johnson, who's with the victim, find out if they want to press charges.
Okay.
Where are the rings?
I have them.
All right, show me the rings.
On June 12th, Lounge-Hilling Archelou, officers responded to a Marriott hotel where a family's room had been entered. No forced door, no broken lock. Someone had a key.
Who would have been in that room? Staff, like cleaning staff? During the day?
According to them, so they only called the engineering. So the cleaning staff and the engineering staff came in while they work here. So that should have been happening between 7 and 11.
Okay.
And then at that time, there is no request for the room. There is no reason anyone to go into the room.
Yeah, but there was cleaning staff and...
Before.
Okay. Is there like any sort of log of who goes into what room? Okay. Am I able to see that?
I need to call my chief engineer to bring him here. So because those are electronic locks, so they need to read this lock and then get the information, and then that way we can see those information.
I request you guys to be in the room because I don't want to interfere with the other guests.
Okay. Well, everything's fine. Yeah.
Okay, but you're being kind of loud for other guests.
I'm doing an investigation right now. Everything's fine. Yeah, you can tell. Nobody's in trouble. Yeah, I just want to see at least like a list of people who came in and out while they were gone.
The victim discovered his AirPods were also missing and was able to track them using the Find My app.
So if it catch the signal, then you can
play a sound.
Yeah.
My wife always.
If we do get near him, we're gonna stay back and let them know if you say something.
She put like this AirTag.
Do you have your thing on?
No. It's she always moves her case, and then
if you need
we
me to
find
help,
it at home like this.
Okay.
I have two
I
small
work here
kids,
also.
so they.
Yeah, someone must have.
It could be in any floor,
It could
or
be.
maybe the same.
Must have cut them off or something.
So the last one was 2 minutes ago. So if anyone connects to that earphone, so you will get a notification on that.
Does this happen often or not really?
Thefts happen a good amount down here.
Let's walk to the corner because
In hotel rooms, it's a little more rare.
So it could be in the room because over here there is no signal.
Yeah. Well, let's pop back up there.
All right, so I had entry at 2320. Prior to that, 2157. Prior to that, 2150. Then 7 minutes right after that.
Okay. So they claim they left at 6:45 a.m. Let me confirm that they're not saying. Well, it was p.m. When you guys said you left the room at 6:45, that was p.m. correct?
It was 6:40 actually.
6:40 p.m.
Yes.
Okay.
They got downstairs. I was in the bar at 6:40.
And then got back to your room around 11:15, 11:30?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so 9, that would have to be when? So they said 6:45 and they got back to the room between like 11:15 and 11:30.
There's 3 people were in the hotel at that time.
Does it show like specifically whose key card is it, or it just shows entry?
It just says standard level key, so if it was a Grand Master key, it would probably show that, I would assume. I'm new here.
I gotcha.
And this is my understanding of how the system works. So if it was a Grand Master key, that would be red on here. Standard key, I don't know. Yeah, that's all these are saying, so this might not be accurate, but I do know what time the keys were used.
So it's showing that there's entry at 9:50 and 9:57?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. That's all we can do right now. And like you said, there's no cameras in the hallways or anything?
Our policy for our Marriott is they don't do that.
Really?
The victim dropped his hotel key card inside its labeled envelope, exposing the room number to anyone who saw it fall. The electronic lock logged 2 unauthorized entries at 9:50 and 9:57 p.m. The victim's room was confirmed empty the entire time.
So we kind of filed a complaint that the manager came in and everything, and they figured out that someone was in the room, and that they know when at
9:50 and 9:57.
Yeah, basically, yeah. And so that's when they stole like t-shirts, shorts, but they stole 2 antique rings that were given to my wife, her dad's a retired Marine colonel, and a really special ring was stolen. Bottom line, the reason why I called this morning was, watch this. I can go into Find My. Here's my iPod Pro. The case, they didn't steal the earbuds. We found them in the room. But here is.
You stole the case?
And here it is. And I've been tracking it all. And that, please take my time.
Can we go back to the Find My?
Help yourself. I can tell it's in a car because I could tell where it was parked.
Is that the parking garage?
No, that's at the
Or is that the
mall.
Oh, that's it, yeah.
But just before where it is now.
That's right in the dead center of the mall.
There's
a klepto guy that I know.
But I saw it in and there was a parking lot that it was in just a little bit ago.
Yeah.
And it was next to like a little island in the parking lot, and you could tell it was a parking space. Well, I could tell, or I suspect it's in a car or something.
How many people have keys to your room?
Only my wife and I.
Okay. Do you still have your keys?
Both keys.
Yes.
Both keys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
I have a hunch that it's
What's your guy's
Quicksall. Last name's Quicksall. He works one of the booths at Clinton Square Market. So it was a guest key that was used. Who has access to make guest keys?
So we got a front desk.
That's it. No one else?
And the manager.
It's through the front desk.
But it's all done here?
Yes.
It's moving around in Clinton Square right now. So one of us could stay here.
You know who Quicksall
and then I know who Quicksall is. And then when I get there, I'll tell you to play the sound. I'm en route to Clinton Square Market to see if I can track down some of the property. 34, I'm arriving.
Can you pull that back out? Don't ping it though. Midway down, right side. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can go find. I'm gonna try and get a picture of those so we can go to Mr. Kim and to the other jewelry stores to see if anyone's trying to sell them. Hey, so someone pointed out that this was here, so we just need to see if we can find the owner.
See.
Oh, the other call that we were on from last night. Let me show you the ring. It's a pretty distinct ring that was stolen. So we'll have to check the jewelry shops to see if someone tried to sell it from Melton.
Yacht Club? Yacht Club hat was stolen, was it?
Annapolis Yacht Club, yeah. Well, that might be tied to the case we were just on, Matt.
Hey, that's the employee. She said she doesn't know who this is.
Well, that's why I called it out as a 44 found.
I figured he'd be back
All right.
for it, but
Your name is Mitzi?
Mitzi.
Mitzi, you work for the property?
I work for HTA.
And this, someone left all this property behind and you want to turn it into us? Because it's taking up a table?
Yeah, I would.
All right, thank you very much. I will check it and go from there. I got it, baby, I got it. This is it. 34 to 30, I've located the speaker, AirPods, and sunglasses. I found a picture of Mr. Fortin's ID. Yep. It was with the stolen property. I think she'll be able to describe them. I got to find her again because she's left the area, but if we can get cameras, there's camera pointed like right at her. So when I walked in, I saw him in this building. And he was scurrying around, but I didn't think he was the suspect at the time. We were pinging the thing, and I was walking around trying to see if I could hear the thing ringing. I couldn't, but he scrambled around. Like I saw him pacing, and then he grabbed his bike and took off.
The stolen AirPods case was still transmitting, and its Find My signal placed it live inside Clinton Square Market when officers arrived. Under Florida statutes, Section 8, 10.02. For a key card, the registered occupant never authorized satisfies the unlawful entry element of burglary. Grand theft and burglary carry separate felony charges. The key card log made both provable before Vincent said a single word.
I think he probably still has the jewelry on him.
You're right, that's smart.
What's up, Betsy?
Vincent.
Yo.
Obviously, there's four of us around here, so you're not under arrest right now, but you're being detained. We have to have a conversation, but I'm going to let you know your rights. Yes, sir. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here's the reality.
Yes, sir.
You and I have known each other a long time, right?
Yes, sir.
Here's what I need to know. Get me the rings back. I'll have Officer Johnson, who's with the victim, find out if they want to press charges.
Okay.
Where are the rings?
I have them.
All right, show me the rings. That would be it. And there's 2 of them, right?
Yes, sir.
Anything else that I need to know from the room?
Not that I know, really. Give me 1 second. Oh, I actually like just a pair of clothes.
I was gonna say those shorts.
Yeah, the shorts. That's about it. I mean, it's what it is.
All right.
What it is.
Hang tight. Let me make a phone call to Officer Johnson, and we'll go from there. Yeah, he knows. Jackpot. This guy's gonna be stoked. Hey, I got the rings. Hey, I read a Miranda, so you got to check to make sure the guy wants to press charges. Okay, all right. I just told him I told him I would call him and call you and ask. So okay. So Vincent, let me ask you about last night. So the guy drops his key. It's out the envelope with the room, and you saw the room number. You're like, is that so? You left the earbuds over at the Clinton Square because that's what Officer Johnson showed up. He saw you leaving there, right? Did you leave? Did you take anything else that we're gonna find out later?
I know. Only thing like a couple of blocks. Like they're not called blocks. They're called, I guess the charging blocks, the white charging blocks.
Right, for the earbuds.
Yes. Yeah. And the earbud case I still have.
Okay, where's that at?
It's going to be with the stuff that...
With the other stuff?
Yes, with the other stuff.
Okay.
And then...
How about his hat?
I have his hat.
Right. You know what hat that's for? Annapolis Yacht Club. So that's going to stick out like a sore thumb. Only members have those hats. They don't sell them to the public.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. So here's the bad news.
Yes, sir.
The guy's going to press charges, so we got to take you in.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and turn around for me.
Okay. I just make sure that all my stuff is all
Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Okay. And then the other stuff is already in thing, correct?
The officer asked Vincent to produce the rings. He had them. Vincent was charged with felony burglary and felony grand theft of property valued at approximately $8,000. In Florida, burglary of a structure carries up to 5 years per count. The case is pending. The officers get a grade of A. Under Graham versus Connor, every decision is evaluated on what was known in the moment. The tactical approach, market entry, and Miranda advisement all hold. Vincent gets a grade of D. He saw the room number, waited for the family to leave, and entered twice. Florida law calls that burglary, not a mistake. The victim gets a grade of B+. He tracked the device, named the suspect with a location, and stayed back when told. A hotel key card in a labeled envelope is a physical credential. The room number is visible to anyone who watches it fall. A Find My-enabled device does not just get stolen. It transmits its location until the thief figures out it is pinging. If you want more body cam footage, the moment suspects do not expect to end up on camera. Hit subscribe. Drop a comment. The rings are back. The case is pending. What sentence do you think fits?
Good job, guys.
By the way, not.
No?
No.
Yes, sir.
I'm on camera. There we go.
Yes, sir. All right.
So, does he recognize that hat, sir?
100% this is my hat. 100% I can Bluetooth it to my phone instantly.
Your sunglasses.
These 100% are the sunglasses.
Are these your chargers?
Yes, sir.
Did you have a pair of blue shorts that were like fancy?
Yeah.
2020? Yeah, well, he was wearing them. I don't think you want those back.
Yeah, they said aloe.
Yeah, that's it. That's what Daddy
And there's
said.
a matching shirt.
You have the jewelry.
And he took my deodorant, and he took my razor.
Okay.
You did have
What else do you need?
The two
The rings.
Oh, the rings. I may or may not have the rings as well.
Right. Please describe
Did
the
you
ring.
give them up? Oh, you don't need to tell them.
No. After the water boy, no.
I thought I was going to get to do that.
Well, you can't have all the fun. So, no, we had a conversation, and he had them on him. So this clearly is a ring that you can't, like,
No.
yeah, the picture says all. And then, oop,
That's all good.
Oh, please.
and then you got the little guy.
There you go.
From the parents.
There you
So
go.
there you go.
Thank you
So,
so much.
so he's in jail, obviously.
There you go.
So he's been charged with felony burglary and felony grand theft. So the state attorney may be in touch with you as far as prosecution and all that stuff.
You guys want to take a picture with you guys?
Of course, let me go off.
Yep, we're going to go off and sing.